Want to make money online using AI in 2026? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you create content faster, save time, and even start a side hustle from home. If you're a beginner, don't worry. These tools are simple, useful, and some of them are even free to start with. Antiro 015 to 030. Welcome to AI Profit Zone, your channel for AI tools, side hustles, online income ideas, and smart ways to grow using artificial intelligence. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and let's get into the list. Tool 1. ChatGPT 030 to 120. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most useful AI tools for beginners because it can help you write faster, think of ideas, and create content in minutes. You can use it to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions, product descriptions, emails, and even freelance writing content. If you want to make money online, ChatGPT can help you start services like content writing, script writing, email writing, social media content creation, basic copywriting. For example, if someone needs Instagram captions for their business, you can use ChatGPT to generate them quickly and deliver the work faster. It also helps YouTubers come up with video ideas, titles, hooks, and full scripts. So if you're starting from zero, ChatGPT is one of the best tools to learn first. Tool 2. Canva AI 120 to 210. Tool number 2 is Canva AI. Canva is already popular for design, but its AI features make it even more powerful. You can use Canva AI to create thumbnails, social media posts, short presentations, ad creatives, logos, and marketing visuals much faster. If you want to make money with Canva, you can offer services like thumbnail design, social media post design, small business marketing graphics, Pinterest pin creation, digital product design. The best part is that Canva is beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a professional designer to start creating good-looking visuals.